Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is we're going to show you how to insert the stem connectors for your Aquadome. These stem connectors are connected to your diverter valve. So we're going to connect them, and then I'm going to show you how to disconnect them. So you see the back of the Aquadome here. The small one is the outlet, the large one is the inlet. It's impossible to get this backwards because they won't fit in each other. So there are your two stem adapters from your diverter valve. Very simple to do. It really doesn't require any tools to put these in. So you just put the large one in first, and then you want to make sure you give it a good shove, and hopefully you can see it in the video here, but you've got probably less than 1/8 of an inch there of space. You push it until it can't go any further. And then likewise with the top one, with the outlet tube, good and strong, push it in there, and that's it. You should have a pretty good seal for installing those stem connectors. Okay, now that we've connected those stem connectors, now we're going to show you how to disconnect them in case you need to replace the diverter valve or this tubing, or you need maintenance on the system for whatever reason. So we'll show you how to do that. So these small connectors, these push-in connectors, John Guest fittings, there's actually a tool that they make to make this job a little bit easier, but since most of us don't have that tool, I'm going to show you how to do it with a small little flathead screwdriver here. So we're going to do two things simultaneously. With one hand, in this case it's my left hand, I'm going to be pulling outward on that tube, and at the same time with the screwdriver I'm going to be pushing down on the little gray collar that's part of the Aquadome. See, it was that simple. So you push down and then you pull out at the tube at the same time. The top one's the easy one. The bottom one tends to be a little bit more difficult, so we're going to show you how to do that. So same thing, I'm going to pull outward on that large tube, and at the same time I'm going to kind of push down on that collar with this flat screwdriver. Believe me, a lot of people are going to, oh, we're almost there. There we go. And so it's that simple, and you can put in new stems if you need to.